Hey guys, welcome back to another new videos and LawGuru welcomes you. So today in this video we will be discussing about the right of private defense. In the previous video we have discussed or I have given an introduction about right of private defense. But in this video we will discuss the definition part of right of private defense. Before starting this video, if you have not subscribed my channel, please go subscribe so that you all get IPC related videos regularly. So let's start this video. First of all, we will come to the definition of right of private defense. The right of private defense is defined in section 96. This section lays down the basic law of right of private defense. It says nothing is an offense which is done in exercise of the right of private defense. For example, I will give example so that you can understand. For example, if A enters the house of B at night for committing the offense of theft. Okay, B sees A. Then what A does? That A, the offender, attacks B, and B, the owner of the property, defends himself by using his right of private defense and injures A badly. Then B has exercised his right of private defense and no offense is committed by him. Now section 97 of the Indian Penal Code 1860 defines what the right of private defense is. This section says every person has a right, subject to the restrictions contained in section 99, to defend two things. Every person has a right to defend two things. First, his own body and the body of any other person against any offense affecting the human body. The offense may be the theft, robbery, mischief or criminal trespass or anything. And second, the property, whether movable or immovable, of himself or of any other person against any act which is an offense falling under the definition of theft, robbery, mischief or criminal trespass, or which is an attempt to commit theft, robbery, mischief or criminal trespass. It also means that if someone only attempts to commit theft, robbery, mischief or criminal trespass, then also the person, there can also a case where there is only attempt to commit theft. The wrongdoer has only attempted to commit theft. He has entered the house of B. He has entered the house of B at night for committing theft of any movable property. Now B, for protecting his movable or immovable property, defends himself and his property by attacking A, the wrongdoer or the thief. In this case, the thief A has not committed theft. He has only started to, or he has only there is an attempt to commit theft. I hope you have understood. Now we will discuss the meaning of right of private defense. Here it is written that it is not necessary that there should be an actual commission of the offense in order to give rise to the right of private defense. It means it is not necessary that there should be an actual commission or the actual commitment or the act or the offense must be committed. Offense of theft, robbery, mischief or criminal trespass or anything else that must be committed. It is not necessary to give rise to the right of private defense. If you think that you are in danger or your body is in danger or your property is in danger, then you can use your right of private defense if in that particular time no such state machinery is available for your help or any help is available. In that case only you can use your right of private defense, and the right of private defense starts as soon as you feel that my body is in danger or my property is danger, and it will continue as long as that apprehension or that feeling continues. I hope this video is clear to you. If you have any doubt in this video, please do comment. If you like this video, press the like button, share it and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you. Stay safe.